What's going on, guys? FadeitLuie here, bringing you guys a brand new video. We're going to be doing a 10-minute haircut tutorial, so stay tuned. We're starting off by using our Guard FX to create our first guideline, contouring to his head shape. Always make sure to stretch the skin with your opposite hand when balding out with your trimmers. Now that we're done balding them out, we can move on to our no guard all the way open and create our second guideline. Before we erase our initial guideline, we're going to go ahead and apply some shave sticks for our foil shaver. Now that we're done removing the stubble, we can move on to our no guard all the way open and continue to use the lever to erase our initial guideline. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Also, make sure you watch to the end. Now that we're done erasing our initial guideline, we can move on to our one guard all the way open and create our third guideline. With this same guard, we're going to soften up the line and get it ready for the half guard. Now that we're done softening up the line with the one guard, we can move on to our half guard and erase the line completely. Moving on to our two guard all the way open, this guard will help us connect the fade with the 1.5 guard. You're also going to use this same guard with the lever to soften up the line and get it ready for the 1.5. Now we're moving on to our 3 guard all the way open, and this is going to help us blend into the top bulk. We're knocking down the top with a 4 guard all the way closed. Moving on to our clipper oval comb method, you want to make sure you're tilting the comb at a certain degree just so you can make sure you're adding a blend instead of debulking all the way. Because the flatter you keep the comb, the more hair is going to cut. Moving on to his hairline, we're starting off in the middle because he's a little bit more denser than in the corners, so I want to make sure I match the middle to the sides. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe is greatly appreciated. Thank you. Here I'm slowly etching in the line and making sure I match the right side to the left side. Right here we're applying some elegant shave gel, and now we're moving on to our hot towel and we're going to apply it nice and slowly. Now we're using our Turkish razor and Derby Premium blades to make him as crispy as possible.